Years ago, Mark Zuckerberg learned these same courses. Today he's one of the richest men in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn coding for free and design your own video games or even apply for any coding jobs of your choice. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First on the list is libreng.com. You can learn any coding and software courses completely for free. As you can see, more than 1,000 people are already learning this course. You can choose to learn any of the course and get taught by proven experts. These are what you are expected to learn in this particular course. You just have to enroll for free. Sign up with your email. Type your email address, create your password, then create your account. When you are done, you go to your email to confirm and activate your account. Next on the list is Corsairorg. You can access more than 5,000 courses and earn a professional certificate from world-class universities and companies. You can search for the desired course of your choice. Let's search for Python. More than 1 million students has already enrolled for this course. You can learn and earn a certificate after the program. You just have to enroll for free. Type your full name, email address and password. Then join for free. Next on the list is freecodecamp.org. These are some of their students who has already gotten job in big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Spotify, and more. You can earn verified certificate on any of the course completely for free. You just have to sign up with your email. Go to your email to access your sign-in code. Type your sign-in code. Your account has been created. Last but not least is codecademy.com. You can also learn any coding course completely for free. All you have to do is to sign up. Type your email and your password, then sign up. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, do well to subscribe so that you won't miss out on my next video. Like this video and also share with your friends. Thank you.